Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Android Studio in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So firstly open any web browser and search here Android Studio. So search Android Studio, you will see this first official link developer.android.com, and here guys you have to click on this first link, download Android Studio. You will see this latest version. So click here, download Android Studio. Now here click on this checkbox and click here. This is the for Windows. You will see this is the Android Studio Dolphin, and this is the latest one. So check this box. Now wait for a while, and once this complete, just you have to install. So in this second part I will show you how to set up Android Studio in your Windows 11. So thanks for watching.